Hi everyone, this is a virtual tour for you at Resort World Hotel. This is the Conrad Deluxe room. Let's take a look inside. We're here in the main entry. To the left is the bathroom. Of course, for your main room, we'll start with the bar area. You got your snacks, water. A fridge area if you want to keep leftovers, your own stuff. The other side where you can purchase alcohol. This is a king size bed. A little bench area underneath the TV. You got dressers. A view of the outside. A table where you can snack, eat, relax, do some work. Stick around for a bonus clip at the end. Here's the overview of the room. You have a love seat in front of the bed. Going towards the thermostat, simple to use, higher if you want warm temperature, lower for cooler I should say. Give you a notepad, a pen, QR code. Making way towards the bathroom area. You have the toilet on one side and you have the shower on the other. You have some privacy for the bathroom versus toilet. Trash can, toilet paper, spare toilet paper. And your sink, dual sink with tissue. You have a vanity mirror. You turn on the water with this handle. Comes with Q-tips, cotton. Here to the shower. Yeah, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Turn on the water going clockwise. And the handle below to change where the water comes out. I'm struggling a little bit here, but and a little bench area. Now we're going to view the closet. In the closet you have a hanger, iron board, iron, and some ropes. That pretty much concludes our tour. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe and like. Until next time, take care.